Cheap PC speakers of the highest quality may not be as booming as they used to be, as they have been replaced by gaming headsets. However, not a few of them are still interested in using a PC for multimedia needs other than gaming. One of the main factors in choosing computer speakers is how wide your computer desk is to place them on. But before buying the best computer speakers, you need to pay attention to quality and price so that you won't be disappointed later if you choose the wrong PC speakers that don't suit your needs. And here are the top 5 best budget computer speakers in 2023 for you today. Get the promo price in the link in the description below the video. All the products in this list are our opinion. We took the top list based on features, performance, sales, user reviews, and price. If any of you disagree with this list, please provide your recommendations. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Number 5. PreSonus Iris E35, $130. Casual consumers have likely never heard of PreSonus, but the Iris C3.5 is a great introduction for those looking to explore a new brand with reputable audio performance. Like most entry-level, budget speakers, they are made of a medium-density fiberboard which is vinyl laminated. The Iris C3.5 speakers do have a very agreeable color scheme with a nice matte black finish and an appealing blue shade on the woofer. These bookshelf speakers feature a 1-inch Kevlar tweeter and 3.5-inch Kevlar woofer, a combination that creates loud, wide sound not normally experienced on speakers this small. Lows sound tight, vocals are crisp, and the high-end reproduction is outstanding for hearing instruments accurately.
Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind.
The acoustic tuning knobs in the rear let you personalize sound, while the numerous inputs make these speakers ideal for engineers, producers, and other content creators. Bass levels are decent, but nothing that will blow you away. Also, the speakers are built mostly from plastic, giving them less of a premium feel. Still, 50-watt Class AB amplification 25 watts per speaker provides plenty of volume and headroom for near-field monitoring. Number 4. Logitech C407, $114. The Logitech C407 is a compact system with a small subwoofer that doesn't exactly have a premium feel. It's an all-plastic affair, and the satellite speakers are quite light, but it's attractive and has some nice features. For starters, it's simple to set up. You can use it in wired mode with an auxiliary 3.5mm cable, or connect it to your computer via USB, but the majority of people will connect their devices to it via Bluetooth. It comes with a hockey puck-sized controller. It's powered by 2 AAA batteries that doubles as a Bluetooth transceiver between any Bluetooth-enabled audio device and the speaker system. You can skip tracks forward and back by tapping on the top of the puck and turning the dial to control volume. It's also worth noting that the speakers can be stood up vertically or horizontally. It's a nifty design. The sound is good at close range, but the bass isn't exactly tight. This would work fine as an audio system in a small room, but just doesn't have the juice to sound good in a larger room. It's touted as having 80 watts of power, but power ratings don't mean all that much. Number 3. Mackie CR3X, $100. Mackie has developed a solid reputation for selling affordable computer speakers with strong audio performance. Made primarily from MDF, these weigh in just under 8 pounds, just over 3.5 kilograms. A nice combination of solidness without adding a heap of weight to your shelves. The CR3X is a super affordable model that gets the job done, backed by noteworthy sound and studio-friendly connections. Reproduction is on point, creating immersive audio that you'll find beneficial when watching movies. The 3-inch woofer is well suited for a smaller studio or for near-field listening. The frequency response of 80 Hz to 20 kHz, -3 dB makes these able to represent a good range of frequencies for clear sound. At 97 decibel, these are reasonably loud, especially when you consider their size.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind.
Being able to switch to the left or right channel for mono listening is also a nice option. As sleek as the speakers look, along with striking details like the green accents and illuminating volume knob on the front, the build quality isn't anything to rave about. In addition, sub-bass can be hit or miss, depending on the volume level and song selection, though it isn't off-putting. Number 2. Razer Namo, $100. Razer's gaming speakers come in different versions, and Razer Namo are included in this list due to their affordable pricing of $100. The design is sleek as hell, falling somewhere between a Dyson hair dryer and an ultra-modern podium microphone. However, the beauty is in the details, and we tip our hat to Razer for its minimalistic approach. The black and gunmetal gray colorway with subtle branding allows the speakers to blend into any stationary desktop or office setup. The cylindrical shape also factors into the sound quality, allowing air into the bass ports for a more pronounced presence and reducing distortion. Audio is faithful to gameplay and makes sonic details more immersive, from dialogue to explosions to footsteps. Moreover, custom-woven glass fiber 3-inch drivers are engineered to deliver ultra-clear sound with uncanny sharpness. By incorporating custom glass fiber into the speaker cones, affects the vibrations and produces a tighter sound with higher frequencies, allowing you to hear distinct layers and audio details. The sad part is Razer reserved some of its more upscale features for the pricier models in the series. This includes the LED indicators, USB connection, and Chroma software compatibility. Number 1. Creative Pebble V3, $40. Creative's Pebble V3 is a pair of small, stylish speakers that are cheap but can pump out music at a pretty loud volume. This might look like a basic set of desktop speakers, but the Pebble V3 is an awesome upgrade with louder sound and more input options than the previous version. It has a simple plug-and-play setup, as well as Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless wireless connectivity. The built-in gain switch amplifies audio, which is perfect for music and video games, though you'll want to refrain from blasting music at high volume due to crackling sound. Creative's clear dialogue audio processing gives you rich and clear vocal output when watching movies and TV shows. Moreover, Creative Pebble V3 supports fuss-free connectivity and minimal cabling with only a single USB-C cable and without the need for a 3.5mm audio cable. So your desk remains neat and clutter-free from messy wiring. And what's not to love about the compact and chic design that looks cool no matter where you place the speakers? At $40, the Pebble V3 is a bargain that appeals to all consumers seeking reliable, high-performance speakers for an incredibly low price.